Hello guys, so today we have a new product from Sony. So this is the quick unboxing of the new Sony ZV-E1. And again guys, this is the new Sony ZV-E1. So we have two box here guys. Actually we have the body and with the kit lens. So today we're gonna unbox the Sony ZV-E1 with the kit lens, which is the 28 FE to 28 by 60. So, ayan. I think there's a lot of video there. It's already with the specs of this camera. So today, I'm gonna show you only what's inside the box of this new Sony ZV-E1 with the kit lens. Yeah. Again, I will not go into the specs on the camera because for sure there's a lot of video out there which is with the specs of that camera. But again, this is a quick unboxing. So let's start now, guys. Again, for the first time, this is a new box from Sony. It's not the typical black with the orange lining or logo. Now they have this. It's like a dirty white. Yeah, it's like a dirty white box, and man, I think they make change the type of the box that they use for their camera now, and I think this is like a recycled material from the paper box that they use. So this is what I'm thinking. But yeah, when I check the material or the yeah, so man, again, this is the box of the Sony ZV-E1. Yeah, side is Sony ZV-E1. Here, the serial number, the camera, of course, the camera, logo, photos, only Sony in the top, and the the logo, which is the Alpha logo. So, and guys, let's start unbox now this camera. Yeah, first you're gonna see the manuals. So this is all the manual, guys, from Sony. Yeah, it's blurred, so I need to make like this. Yeah. Next, again, yeah, we have the lens itself. From this side, we have this lens. Ayan. Natin kasi wala sa focus. Whoop, yan. So this is the lens, the 28 by 60. Again, this is a full frame camera. I think this is the this is like the new A7C. So, this is the lens, which is 28 by 60, f4 to 5.6. Yeah. So, you have your strap. Yeah. So, this is the strap with the Alpha logo, Sony, and we have here, what is this? The battery? No. It's like a dead cut. No. This is a dead cut. Yeah. For the microphone, the dead cut with the microphone for the cold tube microphone. Okay, you have your battery. This is the battery, which is similar with all the A7 series type of battery, and 6600. Of course, this is the NPF 100 battery. Yeah. So we have the battery, and of course the main camera. Yeah, so this is the main camera. Check natin. And yeah, this is the first look of the camera ZV-E1. Yeah, it's smaller than the A7C. I hope we have the A7C so we can compare. Or we will try to make a comparison between the A7C and the Sony ZV-E1. Yeah, so again, this is the Sony ZV-E1. Fully articulated screen. Yeah. This side is similar with the Sony ZV-E10, and yeah, of course your memory card, I think, no, in this area, no, sorry, your memory card will be this area. It's one slot SD card, UHS2 something. Wala akong focus, andito ang focus. Only one slot SDXC, UHS2 for sure. So, yeah. A USB-C and your microphone port. And I think this is an HDMI. Yeah. Micro HDMI and the headphone jack. So again, this is a quick unboxing of the new Sony ZV-E1. So in the next vlog, we will try to compare the specs of the Sony ZV-E1 compare for the A7C. So I think that's for today. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of this new Sony ZV-E1, you can check to our website www.abworld.com, or you can visit our showroom, Igaila, Shamia, and Symphony Megastore Showroom. So, yan. Hanggang dito na lang, guys. Again, check to our website all the Sony product that available here in our store, AAB World. You can visit our website, www.aabworld.com. So, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you, and again, Sony ZV-E1.